Welcome to Celebrity Edge Stateroom Tour, Category C3, Concierge Class, cabin number 10178. This cabin has a dedicated concierge just steps away with welcome concierge class luncheon and destination seminar, priority check-in, express luggage delivery, complimentary shoe shine service, and enhanced 24-hour room service menu. Walk-in showers, 100% Egyptian cotton towels, robes, slippers, upgraded bathroom amenities, and hair dryer. King bed, sofa, safe, and mini fridge. You also receive daily delectable delights delivered each afternoon. Sparkling wine upon your arrival, pillow selection, use of binoculars and umbrellas, flat screen TV. Infinite veranda takes the entire cabin right to the water's edge, with the option to slide the window down. With Celebrity, always included drinks, Wi-Fi, and tips.